Before any Bushtracker heads down the highway, it starts here on the Sunshine Coast. Every van is built one at a time by people who know what real travel looks like. We've spent more than 30 years refining how we build. Bushtracker is a team of quality tradespeople who take pride in every van that leaves this workshop. Strength starts from the ground up. Chassis, suspension and underbody are built and fitted to handle corrugations, creek crossings and long days on the road. This is where proven off-road actually comes from. Inside the frame, the systems matter just as much. Power, wiring, solar and water are laid out to be neat, accessible and ready for serious off-grid use. We build as if you'll be hundreds of kilometres from the nearest mains power. Step inside and you see the other side of Bushtracker. Cabinetry, finishes and fittings are put together by hand, checked and rechecked, so doors close cleanly and everything feels solid. It's about a van that still feels tight and solid after years on the road. No two Bushtrackers are the same. Every van is designed around how you actually travel. Before a van leaves this workshop, it's checked from top to bottom. We go through it like we're about to tow it ourselves. A Bushtracker is built here so you can trust it out there. From coastal tracks to desert roads, every van carries the same idea. Built for big trips all summer long, proven off-road, built for the long run. Discover how we can build one around the way you travel at bushtracker.com.